Hello adventurers, today we're excited to introduce the Shelter Camping Table, your ultimate companion for outdoor escapades, whether you're hiking, picnicking, or enjoying a beach day. This compact folding camp table is ultralight, weighing just 2.07 pounds, and crafted from durable aluminum alloy, ensuring a smooth surface and robust stability with its upgraded hinge design and non-slip leg caps. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply follow 2 easy steps, and you'll have a stable and reliable table ready for use in seconds. Measuring 15.74 by 13.38 by 12.6 inches when unfolded, and packing down to a mere 17.3 by 5.1 by 2.6 inches, it fits effortlessly into your backpack, making it perfect for both outdoor and indoor use. With a maximum load capacity of 60 pounds, this table is built to withstand the elements, being waterproof, anti-scratch, and corrosion-resistant, so you can enjoy your adventures without worry. Cleaning is a snap, just rinse and wipe, and the upgraded paint ensures the color remains vibrant without fading. So, gather around this essential piece of camping gear, lay out your favorite snacks and drinks, and create unforgettable memories on your next journey. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.